in this no-holds-barred, balls count anywhere match.
Balls count anywhere?
That's right, King. It could be right here on top of us. What a kick that was.
What a punch! Oh no, JR. I don't like the way that head shook.
A swift kick to the opponent, and that punch lands hard. There's a fundamental move.
This is a classic matchup, King. I'm so glad the WWE fans are getting the chance to see it.
He puts the boot to his opponent. A sharp kick wearing down his opponent. He catches his opponent with an elbow. The kick connects.
Look at that! No fear whatsoever. What an amazing superstar. And he plants him down with authority.
Many say that Randy Orton's full of himself.
Full of himself? I'd say Orton's a religious man. He worships himself.
Oh my! An explosive suplex. Sends his opponent down face first. And that's a stiff kick. A vicious blow to the opponent.
A stunning slam, knocking the wind out of his opponent.
He's got his opponent in a pin count of 2, and the referee's hand was coming down for the 3.
I could watch these superstars go at it all night, JR.
He's certainly not showing his opponent any mercy here tonight.
And a jaw-jacking punch. And he strikes the opponent with a quick kick.
There it is, the pedigree.
Look out, here it comes.
And there's the cover.
1, 2,
and there it is. The referee has called for the bell. That's it.
Here is your winner, Triple H.
I thought we might see a kick out there, but it was not to be.
No way, JR. The damage had been done, and there was nothing left in the tank to break the pin with.
Well, whether you like it or not, there's no arguing with the referee's decision.